Okay, let's start.
All right. So on Saturday after the meeting, I worked for around 1 hour. So it's just started researching about the FBL and how to set it up. So a lot of email providers like have different ways of doing the FBL configuration if you are going to use their FBL service. So for Google, it uses Postmaster. So you have
What is that?
feedback loop, FBL.
Yes, but feedback do you use command line? You did not see how you do that on Saturday with Emmanuel.
Mhm.
I don't
Yes,
understand what is this? What you explain like this?
yes, you have to use the command line, but you also have to register for you to use the Postmaster. You don't just use the command line. You need to get into the dashboard and register your domain so that they're going to give you
This is not for this. I wish ask again ChatGPT a command line to create a but it is a script that
is
you
it?
can use stuff from your database. Where is the script? Where is the script or where is the command?
I have I have the automation to add the feedback loop for Google to the DNS.
I mean this. Where is the command line or the script where you set up it on your?
After the meeting, I also took time to just look at the feedback loop, how everything works. So I even described that I'm using Postfix to set up my server and the way I've set up my server. So from there, I got the instructions on how to use the feedback loop. Let me just scroll. Let's scroll up. I think I started from here. Yeah. So I said that I have an email server set up with Postfix using Ansible. So I shared my tree with all the automation files that I've done. Then I said that the remaining part is the FBL. Then I also said that all the tests should happen within the command line. See? And I even said that I don't know how and what FBL is and how to implement it. So it started guiding me from here. Yes. Can I set up FBL from the command line? Yes. But FBLs are typically manual setups per ISP and require Postmaster in your domain address. So I added this. A working DKIM, all these we've done already. This one is done. Then a web form or email registration with the ISP.
And where is your database?
I don't have a database.
Yes, but the last time that we asked to Emmanuel, you see, he asked Emmanuel to set up a SQL on database.
Okay.
Okay, okay. The feedback loop that you are using here.
Mhm.
Yes, go ahead. Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Because first of all, we need to understand what the feedback loop does. It's supposed to give us the report if maybe the user marks our email spam, and we should get that report so that we are able to maybe remove the user's email from our list. So that
Because I have this system, I have system here, and our system that we have here don't have feedback loop for Yahoo, for this, for that. You remember that we already have a system here that just work.
Mhm.
So we are not using Yahoo or Postmaster or those. We are using Yahoo only. We are using the Google Postmaster only to monitor the blacklisted IP address. Only that. We are not using it for FBL. And I remember Emmanuel asked ChatGPT to give us command. In that command, we need to have a database. Because when you send email, you need to be able to track information. And I remember Saturday we explained that because when you send an email, you like when we are using Mailwist, on
Mhm.
Mailwist, what we have, we can see who have opened the email, who have clicked on email, and so on and so on. And we don't need to a Google Postmaster or Yahoo for that. No, you don't. You need to open a new chat. My my problem is that we have resolved. We are doing this with Emmanuel. Even Emmanuel, we see the script that Emmanuel have created because Emmanuel already created a script for the FBL, but Emmanuel did not use Google Postmaster, Yahoo Mail, and so on and so on. And what I have asked Emmanuel to do is to get a command line that we do that for him. No, no, no. Give me command line to create feedback loop. Setting up feedback loop and create feedback loop that is can be different because setting it up can be mean that you want to use a third party. You can say give me command line to create a feedback loop from scratch. Maybe something like that. You can put from scratch because maybe it's going there give you third party. You can scroll down now and see. Scroll down. Scroll down.
This is the end.
Yes. Scroll up a bit. Scroll down. Scroll down.
Down.
Yes. What there on that third party right there. Yeah. Okay. You can set up your own abuse inbox. Close pass abuse. So you will register with ISP. You see the Google one. You see the first one. That is for blacklisted IP address.
This one.
No, the first one, the Google. Yes, ChatGPT is no FBL dometic because you are seeing about the Google Postmaster. So we don't need Google Postmaster for FBL, but the Google Postmaster will already give out information about the blacklisted IP address. Even Microsoft, this is for monitor if your IP address is blacklisted or not. You see, even if you register there, they say you can't force external ESP to send you FBL unless you are registered and qualifier. You see that one? The second line in summary. At the so yes. No, yes. That one. You can't force ISP, yes. That one, yes. Even if you register, that does not mean that you will receive any feedback from them because you need to be qualified. But the only thing that you can do is to set up your own abuse inbox. And that is why ChatGPT is asking you, let at the end, the last line, let me know if you want help. Let's say RF passing format and setting up Microsoft or Yahoo account because anyway, Google will not send you a feedback, the feedback loop. Google will not send that on to you. So this is what we have seen last on Saturday with Emmanuel. If you scroll up at the beginning, so it means that you should be doing you need to do this part. If you scroll up, so this is where have you done this?
No, I haven't done this.
See, it means that you have no work on FBL. Scroll up. Yes, this is what you need to do normally. Create a user called abuse, go there and edit the postfix for FBL. Emmanuel
Yes,
already.
I've created these users.
Yes, maybe
Abuse.
some parts here you have done it. Have you set up have you made the change in postfix?
So the only change that I've done is creating the users. I think The virtual here means that you're creating virtual users. But I've used the Linux users because this is supposed to be a section, an email that is going to receive the reports for the abuse is known as the abuse@yourdomain.com. I've done it here. Let me just, I think I've done the abuse here. Then I also did another one known as Postmaster. ChatGPT had also suggested that I create another record for Postmaster.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know, maybe
Go again in ChatGPT. Yes, here. Can you scroll down a bit? Install and configure. C'est quoi? Procmail.
Procmail. No, I
Email.
have not done Procmail or Mail.
Mail on email drop. Can you scroll down? You don't have. Scroll down. ChatGPT did not ask you to do. Scroll down. Pass. Abuse format. Okay. PHP install. You can use to. I believe that maybe this tool they have something like a database. Can you scroll down? Because last time he gave to I think like okay can you ask to ChatGPT that can I have my own FBL without register to any ISP? Can I have my own ISP FBL without need to register to any ISP?
On FBL.
Okay. So yes, you can have your own FBL system, like, but it is important to distinguish. You can run a self-managed FBL reserver plus login. You can force external agent to send. That is normal. What you can do, your own FBL, you can create a local FBL to accept and process as abuse report format. Your user, your internal abuse detection, trusted pattern feedback. Okay. Because we need our freedom. Even if we use the ISP, we have no control if they will send that to us or not. Can you scroll down? Now, let's ask to ChatGPT. Why you did not ask me to use a database with my own FBL? Because last time ChatGPT tell us to use why
Maybe
you
I
did
just
not.
ask, do I need to use any database?
No, ask him why he did not tell you to use the database. Why you did not
Did you?
not tell me to use a database where you have gave me command line to set up my own FBL.
Database. When you give me a command.
To set up my own FBL. He said the yearly setup I provide was a minimal FBL reserver focused on getting reports via email, automatically processing login. That approach is quick to deploy. Okay, ChatGPT have used Firebase because Firebase is also a database. Because at the beginning of system, some people they were not using a database, but they were storing everything in a file. Okay, now you say when you should use a database. If you are doing any of the following database essential, you expect more than a few pumping per day. You want track abuse trend. You need automatically disable your IP. You want shares. Okay, recommended. Can you scroll down? Database. Okay. You can ask him to give you again the setup with the appropriate database.
Appropriate. Appropriate. Database.
Answer package, create database. Okay. Postgres. Okay. Okay. Config Postfix delivering. Okay. This is how we are creating our own AVX scholar. Config Postmail to run Python script. Okay. Scholar. Again down. Okay. Python bash DB. Okay. Okay. Scholar. Okay. Secure file initial. Okay. Yes, yes, not bad. Okay. So normally this is what I was expecting from you. You can ask him why you are suggest me to use what you have choose Postgres instead of MySQL for this. Because last time he's asked me to use MySQL. No, it was SQLite, yes.
This one is
Postgres.
oh, I didn't. Okay. Why not use? Okay. Why
SQLite.
use post? It's the Postgres.
Yes. Postgres.
Postgres.
Like that Postgres.
No,
No,
post
one S.
One S.
yes.
SQL instead of SQLite.
Yes.
SQLite.
Right.
If you are building a light, simple, okay. Pro, no sabbatical, okay. Example case, okay. Small FBL, yes, so okay, okay. Building a dashboard API, okay. 1.0 setup and quick, okay. Okay, so now let's go back again and you see now what you need to do about the FBL. Hmm?
Scroll up.
No, I say you have seen now what you need to do about the FDL.
Okay.
You, not GPT.
Okay, I just want to ask ChatGPT a question.
Okay.
How do I run tests? And get results in real time? Okay. I don't know if that is.
You just send email.
Oh, sure.
Maybe.
Okay. So
No.
we send an email to abuse.
Yes.
Let's now maybe if we are simulating like a real world scenario, like we are sending emails from our users to.
Yes, if you are sending your email to your user, you see that you have no control to Gmail to be sent back down to you.
Mhm.
Because even if you use Gmail, even on Yahoo, you cannot force them to send it back down to you.
Yes, yes.
If user mark your email as spam or maybe open a complaint, you cannot be sure 100%. You can ask to ChatGPT. You want to test to a Gmail user.
If I send.
Can you scroll down? It seems like ChatGPT have not finished. Just scroll down. Let's see.
Okay.
Scroll down again. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, nothing. Ask to ChatGPT you want to test to a Gmail user.
I send to a Gmail user, and the user marks my email as spam. Will I get the feedback? FBL.
You see, you cannot force them.
Okay, maybe we should ask them.
My idea is this: if you want
Uh-huh.
to continue adding all this layer
Mhm.
of external ISP, my idea is this: you need first to make sure you have control when you have set up your own FBL,
Yes.
and we will take the ISP like something additional, like something optional, because we don't want to go inside something where we don't have control. Our goal is to have control.
Yes, yes.
When I am starting reaching that FBL, some ISP, they can send back the FBL or not. I don't want to deal with something like that because we don't have control. It means that we don't have control. You see, and we need to focus on what we have control on. Now you can continue with the external ISP.
Okay, based on the experience we have with Mailwiz, we know that in Mailwiz, if we send, we are able to find the report, like how many people have opened our email and
You
all
can
that.
get that because when we send with Mailwiz, we put a link inside the email.
Uh-huh.
And when the user just click to open, that is where that track link will starting taking everything. But about
Oh,
the spam, you cannot get it. It depends on Google. Google will decide which metric we send to you. If you scroll up a bit, Mailwiz will not come back with spam. Scroll up a bit. Scroll up. Oh, wait. Okay. User, yes, you see, hi Gmail handle feedback. You see the line number 4. List
yes.
will subscribe.
Aggregate stats like spam rate.
No,
Uh-huh.
yes, line number 5. List will subscribe.
Okay.
Yes, you see, it added your header. Gmail may show an unsubscribe link. No, go on the left. List.
Yeah.
Yes, there. So that is where you can collect click. You can collect many things. You can ask to ChatGPT. I believe that you were trying to ask which metric we can get from Gmail on FBL.
Yes, I think my approach was like wrong. So I was expecting like, oh, when we send an email and someone has maybe marked it as spam, we will be able to get
Well,
that.
we can get some metric from Google, like I think the open rate,
Uh,
the peak, and the unsubscribe.
okay.
But will not give us one user mark as spam. Maybe sometimes I think where we also send us the complaint. You can ask that to ChatGPT. Which metric Gmail return to us when we send campaign with tool like Mailwiz or with a tracking link?
What approach or method? What approach? Does Google use to send feedback?
What does by approach mean? What?
Method or how? Okay. Maybe I should ask, how does Google when we send email from tools, maybe the tools like Mailwiz? That's not- Okay. Okay.
Okay, if you, I think you just install and create our own FBL, because if we start using third party because they have deal with Google and so on and so on, we will waste a lot of time. We will lose control and we will waste a lot of time.
Okay. Okay.
The thing that you can ask, because Google can send, what metric does Gmail return when we use mail? What metric can Gmail return when we send campaign with mail? We can ask that to ChatGPT.
What metrics does Google?
No, the
Chat.
Gmail.
Gmail.
From when we send campaign. Mails.
When it sends campaigns.
Is it campaign or campaign?
Okay.
Campaign.
With mail is
Can we scroll down? You see, you have this, but you don't have the spam.
okay.
You can get the open rate, the click, the bonus, the unsubscribe, complain, but about spam, that will not.
Okay. 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 So I think maybe we were relying, actually, I remember we were relying on the unsubscribe.
Yes, they say Gmail may delay or cache image, which can screw open tracking.
Okay.
You see, like here, Amazon, yes, sending yes. If Medway is using SMTP from. So when we have the FBL, any ESP will decide which metric they want to let you have.
So my approach and understanding was wrong then.
As this metric that you can get.
I just have a question, sir. Maybe in future, are we going to like replicate this in the system without relying on mailways, maybe before we look at mailways?
No, if we do this, this will take us a lot of time to develop, to create all those PHP code.
Okay.
We will have a lot of work to move fast. Well, we'll be here and we will just use mailways, but because we have access to the code source, if you want to see how it works, you can go directly inside the code.
Mhm.
We also need to think about time. mm. You also need to save time. So because we will have the open source manual scope, if you want to see how they are tracking open click, what everything, you can directly go inside the code and
Mhm.
you just read the piece of code that is under it.
Okay.
Yes, and that will be easy for us to save some time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Yesterday we start on FBL. He was on the, I think, on ChatGPT prompt. You did not give them a good, some good question. That's why he did not answer you very well. And this morning you called show on what?
I continue on the same thing because
Wait,
now
wait.
you,
I can see that you are still on ChatGPT. It seems like something is not clear for you. Go again on ChatGPT. Everything is clear for you, or you have any question that you want that we?
no, everything is clear because I just need to set up the database, and that database is going to track the emails now that are coming to the abuse
Okay.
user. So I should be able to read all the abuse that I'll be sending to this. So maybe I'll send from all my emails. I have an Outlook email, the Gmail. So I'll send emails from those providers now to the abuse user based on the setup that ChatGPT has provided.
Okay. And this morning you have done what?
So this morning, using my wrong approach now, I researched on how to set this up. So I set up the domain in Postmaster for Google.
Oh,
I
you
don't-
have verified this in Cloudflare.
Yes, I added it here. Then it generated a
Mean
code.
that you will share this email. You will share this email account with us.
Oh, okay.
Because in this Google Postmaster, you can also track if this IP address is blacklisted or not. Go on Postmaster, on Google Postmaster. Pick.
Yeah.
No, just click on the domain.
Yeah.
Yes. You see, you can take spam rate here. Click on IP rotation.
Reputation. Yeah.
Yes, reputation. So you have no data here. So if your IP is blacklisted, you can see it here. You see,
Mhm.
you can click again on IP reputation.
Yeah. There.
Yes, you have everything here. Click again on it. You have even the feedback loop there. Click on authentication. Yes, you can also check your DKIM here. This is where you can check your DKIM. This is where you check everything.
Okay. There's something that says manage users. I just wanted to.
No, you need to click again on Postmaster tool. Yes, then. What you can click on the dashboard. No. That
Yes.
yes, dashboard statue. Normally, this is where you will see. Click on spam. No, select a domain first. You have up select a domain. Yes, select a domain. You see, this is where ChatGPT was saying that you can see only the root code. The aggregate rate. And now
Okay.
we are good. On the left, if you go on the left, you click on authentication. Yes, there. You can see DKIM here. I think it's something. Yes, DKIM, SPF, everything.
It's doing well.
Yes,
DMAX
you can.
success 157 in SPF.
You can click again. You can change the domain. You can go on the domain now if you want.
Like this one.
Yes. Okay. You have the encryption here. You can click on spam. Yes. And then you can click even on feedback loop to see. Oh, yes, there. You know that.
So I need to share the email, right? Maybe I'll just to,
because
I'll need to.
or try to see if you can add a user there. I just see manage user.
I think.
Click on com. Yes, click there.
Up.
Yes. You see, normally this is where you can also check SPF everything. You can change the domain. Try to check the change the domain. Yes, use the domain. Yes. See. Okay. I think you can click on visit all Postmaster tool. The last one, the left. Yes, there. Try to click there. Let's see if you can have. Okay, here. Try to manage user now. If it that can, I don't know, yes, add user. See, it's not possible. I don't. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
The plus, yeah. The plus.
Okay, you can invite user there.
Oh, okay. So.
Tuck. Wait. I think let me send you the Postmaster tool. Because if you update it directly. Okay, you can add my email there and add me as owner.
Did you send it? Okay.
I just send that to you.
So just add.
Yes, click next. So I think you can click done. I think yes, click on the three dot. You have the three dot.
Yeah.
But I think is it possible? Oh, why it's not possible? Wait. Go on your user. Click on your user and see.
It's not clickable.
It's not clickable. What it means that I need to be owner before what click on my name. Click on my name, three dot.
Yeah.
Yes, click there. Okay. It's not possible to transfer the owner. Okay. What you can do is to click on delete. Click on delete. Yes, click there, delete. Now you can also remove the domain. Go on domain, you remove those domains so that I will add them.
All right.
Be able to
Delete
send me first the link for Postmaster too, so that I will click there and go and have account there. No, send me the entire thing. Yes, send that to me, and then you will remove this domain and send them to me so that I will go, and then I will open something.
So send the domain. So I should now remove, right?
Yes, let me log in
Okay,
first.
let me send the domains first.
I have added the domain. No, domain is already there. Okay. Send me the second domain.
Oh, okay.
You also remove it. Yes, you also need to remove it. Click on delete.
No. Oh, this one? Do you have this one? So I should.
Yes. I want the. Yes, you need to delete them here. so that I will be able to verify on my side, and then I add you as a user.
Okay, let me send the second one first to you. Then I delete it.
Okay. Also delete the first one. Yes. Okay,
Yep.
let me add now and add you now as a user.
There is that, I don't know if it's going to give you the Google
Yes,
Get verification
it gives me the key verification. I will
ID.
send that to you, and you will put that in directly in.
Okay.
So this is for the first one.
I know once
For
add
the
the first
second
one.
domain. No, this is for the second domain. Mail. Yes, that's for the second domain.
I added mine and you only gave me one.
Right.
Copy. Okay. So this is for mail.
Yes. Save.
Then I also need to update the automation so that I don't use it.
Okay. Let me also send you the second one, because seem like the second one is not.
Chatbot.
This is for the second one.
I think I made maybe a mistake. The first one is supposed to be for
The one that I send you now is for, yes, this second one is for technology.work.
without mail, right?
Yes,
Okay.
without net, exactly.
Let me first change it in the DNS. This is the one without email.
Yes, the second
Like
one that I've sent you.
100%. Then there is another one now with mail. How do you even do that? Should be mail. Then this is the first one.
That is with mail.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So maybe now you'll add as
No, have you add the second one?
okay,
you
I've just added them in the automation. Maybe I just need now to
Yes, you can add them here manually, so that I
manual.
will validate on my own side and add you as a user.
Okay.
Copy it from. No, this is about the SPF. I think you need to create another record.
Oh, sorry.
The mail one. The mail one. You have not created two record for them.
So the mail one is here. I only created one because when I registered, it only gave me one instead of two. So So I'll add another one that I just want to get the real format.
Or you need to create a
When you record,
you need to create a new record and ask.
Yes, I'll do that. So to create a new record,
Wait. Or maybe we need to we will do, because I don't understood what, because I first start to verify the mail.1 and okay, you know what? I will delete them and start verifying with the first one.
first
It
one,
means that, if you want to have only one verification, I think we will start with the main domain, technology.org, technologyhub.org. And I think if we verify it, that will also verify the rest of the subdomain.
yeah, maybe, yeah. I think that is what I did. I did the first domain.
Yes, the main domain and that
Yes.
verifier. So I will delete them here, and then I will start adding the main domain, right?
Okay.
Let me try to add the main domain and right start. Because if we verify the main domain, the subdomain can be considered as verifier. Okay, I will let me. Now this is the code for the main domain. Main domain. Check. Machine. Hub. Okay, you can just verify now for the main domain. Because by doing this can help us use only one. No, first go in Cloudflare.
Okay.
You
I'll
will
do
do
that.
this
Let
all
me
later.
She actually like gave you the same code. So the main domains, I need to edit this and pass at here because it's the root.
This is for the main domain.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this is for the main domain.
Because I saw the last. Okay. I saw the last verification you put.
No, I've just changed it here because I had only added one verification.
Okay. Continue.
This one. Let's save. See, it's showing that.
Okay.
Domain.
Let me. The page here. Okay, the main domain is verified on my side. Let's add the subdomain. Okay, it is okay for the subdomain too.
Okay.
Verified just. Okay, let me add you. I use this your email address from Slack.
Yes.
Okay, let me copy it and let me add you as a user. This is the- you have not deleted all the domain.
I have deleted everything.
Can you refresh?
See?
Because you are still on my end here as a user. Let me refresh it. As the owner.
Wow.
Here as well. So on your side, you are not as a you. Wait, let me send you this link. Try to click on this link and see. I can't see your screen. Your screen is not showing.
Oh, okay. So if I click on this,
Yes. Let's see.
takes me here.
It's click on select a domain. Select domain. Oh,
Not domain.
but on this part, I can see that, and I have no option to remove you. What is this? Wait. You are here as a owner, but I cannot delete you. But on your side, you are not seeing it as owner. Oh, check. What's wrong with this? So because it is seeing you here as owner, but
What about when you created? Which privileges does it give to you? The owner or still
what?
as the
Let me share my screen and show. Maybe you will use other event for that. So, let's- You see here?
yeah?
See here as well.
Mhm.
But now I can't even. Or should I use a
Yes.
different email?
But you don't know why you are see here as owner. So you see? Oh, people. Yes. Okay. All of this. Yes, so that you already have access to this thing.
Oh.
Check.
Hmm.
And on your side, it's not possible. You cannot see it.
Yeah, I can't see anything.
What's this?
I don't know. Should I include the domain again? Should I include the domain again?
You want to add the domain?
I mean, now because now in my site there's no access. Like,
On your side, you can't see the domain.
yes, I can't see. I can't.
Can you add the domain again and see if that will ask you verification code?
It's just added and said it's verified.
Done directly.
Yes.
Even well, maybe you have created two lines of you have created two lines in, I don't know, in Cloudflare. You mean that maybe there are again another line in Cloudflare?
It's only one for verification. Only one.
But what happened? Maybe or verification is not propagated yet.
It's now showing you a user also.
Oh,
It's showing you as the owner also.
it's also showing me as owner.
Yes.
Okay, let's actually get it. You mean that ChatGPT loading. Let us it to okay. I think this is the problem. I think this is the problem.
Okay.
Okay. I think you can add the other one, the other second domain.
Second domain, okay.
Yes, you can add the other second domain. I think even Karin, where you will add, you will not need our permission, because if you add the domain, if you add that domain, Google will give you a verification code, and then you will go and put that in Cloudflare, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So anyone who have access to Cloudflare technically can be the owner of that domain in Postmaster too, because anytime that you will use your own Gmail account and add the domain technology.org in the Postmaster tool will give you a verification code. And if you are able to add that inside the Cloudflare, it means that you can become the owner of the domain. So Godi, it is okay. You can add the second domain and start working with it.
Okay.
I don't need to add you anymore, because you can simply add the second domain, any domain, technology.org or mail technology.org, and then take the verification code and add that in Cloudflare. Hmm?
Yeah, I think the verification is just one, because
No, you
we've
can
verified
create a
the mail.
second record. You can create a second record.
Yes, I've added the second record, but it doesn't ask me for any verification, so it's already verified.
No. What you did is that you react you remove your user and then you react it. That's why it did not ask you for second record, for second verification,
Okay.
because you are still in the system. Because Google will not make the recheck every second.
Okay.
If I use another Gmail account and add the domain as a user and then I verify, if after 2 days I came and delete, I need to wait some time for Google to remove everything in their system.
Okay.
Like your domain now, when Google will make the verification, if they see that you are not the owner, they will make they will say that you need to verify.
Okay.
And at that time, you will click on verify, and you will receive a code, and then you will go in Cloudflare, because in Cloudflare you can put many records.
Mm-hmm.
You can put many records.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you said that this morning time you were working on what?
So morning time, I worked on that. I also
You work on that on what? On what? On what?
okay. I said on Saturday after the meeting, I worked for like 1 hour. So I just researched how to set up the FBL, and
Yes. Okay.
today
You
the
were
morning is when I
proceeding.
started creating now the records and adding them to Cloudflare. Then I also did for the Outlook.
Okay. You were on the wrong way.
Yes, yes,
Yeah. And hope you have that new chat from ChatGPT that we are generating. Try to
yes, yes. I have
see
that
it
chat.
from the
Yes,
beginning and follow every step by step.
yes,
And have you included the IPv6 in your automation? Your SIM automation?
yes, yes, yes. I did.
Yes, I remember. Okay, sorry.
This is the second time, sir.
Okay, no, because it is very important. The
Yeah,
IPv6.
yeah,
Many people they don't take care about it, but as we see on the Google map last time,
yeah.
on that Google picture, you see that a lot of companies are using it. But
Yes, yes,
still now we see that many people they don't know the powerful of IPv6, and IPv6, as you see, is free.
yes.
So instead of spending $2 per month, you just have it for free.
Yeah, it's true.
And when it's come to email marketing like this, we are sending no email, and many ISP what they will blacklist is your IP address.
Yes.
So imagine that being able to have unlimited free IP down address. That can be something very helpful.
Yeah.
Maybe that you just pick IPv6, you send 10, you send 5,000 email down with it, and after that you remove that IP down v6. Take again, you take again another one, and
Yeah.
so on, so on. I don't know if it is possible to connect to SSH by using the IP down v6.
I haven't tried. Maybe I should try.
Or there is a tool, I have never tried it, how to connect to a server by using the IPv6. Let me check on Pucci if they have, you know Pucci?
Yeah, I know Putin, but I don't use it for now.
I just want to check if they have a session for the CIP. I don't know if the IP will be, but
copy.
okay. Okay, it is working. I have never used it to connect them.
Is
Okay.
it working?
Yes, I just asked you ChatGPT and give me some output. If
Oh,
it's output, it is very good. Because most of time we simply use this is how to do it.
Okay.
You see,
Let me see.
I just send that to unlimited email scrap and send it. You
Okay.
must the SSH you put the IP address when.
Yeah,
yeah,
I'll see it.
yeah.
Okay, good. Do you have another thing to share, Bodik?
No, sir, I don't have anything else to share.
Okay. Let's continue with Kari.
Okay, I will share my screen.
Okay.
So on Saturday, I continued on the automation of the VPS. I think I added the firewall, the DNS, and I didn't test it yet, but I started with the cleanup this morning. So I did a little research on the cleanup automation, and I started it. And when I will finish it, I will do the test for both. And that's all what I did. So on Saturday after the meet, I continued on the setup of the setup. And this morning,
Setup for us,
I
what?
started, yeah,
The setup
the
of
configuration, the automation of the configuration on the server.
yes, you have configured what? Can you show me what have you configured?
I think this firewall, the DNS also, and
Okay, show me the DNS.
what the DNS. This I
Okay,
didn't test this yet, but
you already do this manually.
yes, I already did this manually.
Okay, I didn't record it. Okay. Yes, and which setup have you made again?
The firewall and what the third part?
Go on the firewall. I want to see if you are using the 3-port. You are set up the 3-port on the firewall part, right?
Yes, this 25, the 587, and the 465.
Okay, one question. You are using both those 3-port?
Oh, I didn't set up for this and this yet, but the 25 actually worked when
Okay.
I did the test on it. Yeah.
Okay, good. And another question: are you using both IP6 and IP4?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you made a test by using only IP6 and you are sure that it is working well?
No, actually, I didn't only used this IP6, like really erasing the IP4, but I already did a test and it showed the IP6 was working. Like, I think this is it. If I'm not wrong, I did this on
You already
Friday or
tried it.
yeah,
Okay.
this one. Yeah.
Okay. And on automation part, on automation,
Yes.
when you are running, normally it should pick it randomly,
Yeah.
Yes, it picks randomly.
right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And this morning time you have control on what?
I did the automation for the cleanup.
Uh, this cleanup of what? Of server, of email, of what?
Yes, of the server, all the configurations in the
Okay, when you
server
made the
and Cloudflare.
configuration, you made the cleanup.
Yeah.
The cleanup or the rollback, let's say you have a server, because when you
Mhm.
connect a server, there already some configuration there.
Yeah.
You need to store them somewhere, and you make your own configuration. And then when you finish, you make the rollback.
Okay. Okay.
Same
So
like you have done with the
the
Cloudflare.
Cloudflare.
When you came, you store what you have seen there somewhere, and then you make your own setup, and then you make the rollback.
Okay. Okay. So I need to update this, like to 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 get all the configurations that are there and
I
then
have
to
not understood.
clean. Because mine here is only to clean the server,
Yes,
so I'm
yes,
not getting yeah. So I'm not getting the configurations that are already there in this what I did. So
yes,
yeah, I think I need to update that and to get the configurations and then to clean.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Because when you make setup, uh, this is only a simulation, but normally when you deploy something on server, you need to check if those files exist. If they exist, you can store them somewhere, and then you make your own setup. But when you came on server, most of time, if there are package that already installed, Linux will just tell you that this package is already installed. But if it is about configuration file, you can just check if the configuration file exists. If it exists, you can store them somewhere, and you make your own setup. Once you make your own setup, you can delete them, and then you restore all the file that you have deleted.
Okay.
Because most of the time, what we will be manipulating here is a postfix conf file,
Mm-hmm.
and also the firewall. But okay,
Firewall, the decim, the open decim.
Mm-hmm.
yes, the
Okay,
open.
so I also haven't done the rollback. I also just did the
Oh
cleanup and
yes, yes,
simple
there is.
uh,
Yes, there is no issue. If you can do it, that will be good. Because you have not worked on the rollback part on Cloudflare.
yes, I haven't worked on that.
Emmanuel and Franco Karin, they have worked on that. Okay, okay. And what is your next step, Karin?
So my next step is to do the rollback and the cleanup, and I will test all of them
Yes, and make sure that your automation is working,
Yes,
because your automation have no value if it is not working well.
working. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe
And
you should do the automation first and see if it works. Then you can do the cleanup later.
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
And you also have you are finished with certificate. Yes, I think you have finished with it. You are
Yes.
finished with the LDNS. We have spent a lot of time on Monday or Tuesday to spend it. And you have not finished with FBL.
Not yet.
Okay. We need to agree the FBL.
Then another thing you may encounter, Karin, when you are doing your automation, you may start getting the errors from the certbot, because certbot is like allowing us to do 5 certificate configurations, like 5 certificate renewal within 7 days. So if it
Oh,
does that, you can just comment out the certificate part, then
okay.
so that you don't get surprised what is happening now. The certificates are not working. I just came across that error today, and I saw it was complaining that we have done the renewal so many times because we are all registering the same domain.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. Do you have anything to add, Karin?
Not for the moment.
Okay, okay. And you, Kodik?
Even Misa, I don't have anything to add for the moment.
Okay. So, Karin, as we discussed this morning time about the upsell and referral,
Yeah.
okay, take your time and launch it. Kodik cannot
Okay.
open that part because that part is for teacher. Because even me, I cannot handle that part like you, because all those students, they already know you, they are familiar with you, you are like their friend. So if you ask them to do something, they will do. So if you ask them, if you tell them about upselling, to work on referral, and for those who are willing to invest their time in this unlimited scrapping and unlimited sending, if they want to join us, if they are willing to pay very good, they can join us.
All right, sir.
Okay. So me on my side, I think I am not doing. Even if I contact them, most of them they will not. They are not familiar with me because I am not their teacher. You are their teacher don't directly, so they are familiar with you.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have anything to share? Anything to ask?
Not for the moment.
Are you good?
Even Misa,
Okay. You say?
I don't have anything to share for now.
Okay. No idea, no suggestion.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.